Hello everybody, welcome to Hack That Funnel Radio. So grateful that you are here. We have something really cool we're talking about today. Everybody wants to shortcut their funnel build. They want to be able to make this go faster. They just want to get it to work and they don't know why it's taking so long. And I hear this from everybody. And the amazing thing is, it doesn't matter where you are in your funnel build, this is where everybody is at. So what I want to do is give you the shortcut. This is how I shortcut my funnel builds for clients and how I shortcut my own funnel builds. And it makes the results go so much faster. So I want to share that with you guys today. That's our today's podcast. Hope you're going to enjoy the shortcut that makes funnel success faster than ever. So I'm sitting back in the chair and I'm just lost. I don't know what I could do at this point to make this stupid thing work. I've been spending hours and time on this thing and there's always something in the way. That's the way it works. And I just wanted a break already. Not just for me, I was building funnels for clients. Like I needed to make these things work for clients too. It wasn't just my own funnels. How do I get this thing to work? Here's the truth. The funnel build is sold to be simple and it's sold to be a fast and easy way to make this work. But a lot of the time, it's not that simple. This is a system that you have to create. It's something that you mold. It's something that you test and it's something that over time works. But that's the key, over time. A lot of the business people who are building funnels before all these easy funnel building softwares were available were spending tens of thousands of dollars to build it and send traffic to it with it being unproven entirely. And they thought that this was the way that it had to work. But they knew this was an investment game of not just time, but money. They knew that. However, it's been sold as something a lot simpler now. It's been sold as super simple. You're going to get it in a weekend and it's going to change your life. Gotta tell you, that's not right. Marketing is hard and funnels are hard, and that's okay. We can do hard things, but we need to know that they're hard up front. But is there a shortcut? The answer is yes, there is a shortcut, but it's a shortcut that you have to follow ethically. And that's the scary part. And in fact, ClickFunnels didn't even sell until they talked about the shortcut, but everybody forgot what that was. And now you're thinking, what was that? Was there a shortcut? They talk about a shortcut. I swear, I should remember a shortcut. Yep, there's a shortcut. And when I say it, you're gonna say, well, of course, but you have gotten a mistake in your mind and it's the one reason you're not successful. The one reason you get out of your way with this, everything will flow. Everything will flow and it'll flow faster. So what do you call yourself when you're a funnel builder? Do you say that you are a funnel builder? Or do you call yourself a master funneler? Or do you call yourself a funnel hacker? Everyone calls themselves a funnel hacker because they think that they can hack a funnel together. But while that's true with a lot of these softwares, you aren't hacking any funnels before you hack your own. Funnel hacking was sold initially as the way to be able to make money faster. It was the way to make funnels work. And we all went, whoa! And we all started building like I'm a funnel hacker because I'm building. Guys, you skipped the hack. We all decided that Russell Brunson or Frank Kern or Steven Larson or somebody else had to first hack it for us. They just gave us the hack and then we were fine to go. That's not the truth. They didn't do the hack. They gave you the software to be able to hack. They did not do the hack for you. So you're saying that I have to do something else, Ben? You're saying that I have to make this longer? That's how the shortcut works? So let me give you two different scenarios because in truth, this is the way it works. After hundreds of funnel builds, this is the way it works. After about 150 or 200 funnel builds that I'd done for clients, they would all take them and go and run with them. They would give me the idea. I'd say, okay, this funnel's probably gonna be great. And I would map it out for them. They'd be like, that's amazing. And then we go and build it. And after building it, I'd be like, bye. And I just wait and see how it works. Now, what's the story about that actual client? I provided the best I could. That's not the question. The answer is the client, though, didn't get the result. More often than not, it was very rare that the customer got the client. And why is that? It's because we skipped a very important part at the very beginning. We just skipped it because it was faster to build this way. But then that client would go to the next person and the next person and the next person, asking each person to fix this system, make it work, get the ads to work, and nothing would work. And they were like, why is this not working? It's sold as it's gonna work. It was sold as gonna be easy. And I've gone through 4 different freelancers and I'm totally lost because I can't do this on my own anymore. And everyone's trying to sell me something, another training, more software that'll add on to the software that'll definitely make it work. What? Why isn't this working? Thank goodness at this point, I started running into clients that had this issue. And they were having this issue and they were coming to me like, look, such and such funnel builder was great. I love their strategy. I love them. It was wonderful, but their funnel ain't working. Like, I can't figure this out. And I'm like, okay, well, it must be an optimization issue. All right, I'm a numbers guy. I'm an analyst first. So I'm like, okay, let's hop in. So we put in the analytics codes, we start tracking things, and it took about 3 months for us to actually get this thing to work. 3 months of testing. That's a long time. And to be absolutely frank, a lot of these clients who had gone through so much to get to this point and to get to month 2 of the build and the ads and the analytics and the sales copy and all these different things and all the follow-up emails and maybe a bot as well. After they'd done all these things, their brain had been totally fried, they gave up. And I don't blame them. I gave up a lot of times. I can't tell you, I've built at least 16 launches for myself. I'm not talking about just a funnel build on the side. Well, that could work. I built it out. It was done. It was ready to launch. I just didn't tell anybody. And I was burned out because I had been missing a step. When I implemented this step, this shortcut into my build and my clients' builds, and every build that I have done hereafter, the results are faster. And that's what we really care about. The funnel build can take a little bit longer. That's okay, but I just want the results, right? I want the results that have been promised. How do I get that? That is the goal. And how do I get it as fast as possible? That's what we want. So if you can take just a week or two at the very beginning of your build and do a hack correctly, you can make this work. But there's a way to do a hack and there's a way to botch it. And the way that you botch it is literally just gonna put you back in the same boat that you were in, waiting month after month after month after implementing every single thing and then buying more training and more products and trying to pray that something works when all you needed to do was just tweak something at the very beginning and it worked. This small tweak changes everything. And it is the shortcut that I now use because I have come to the point where I don't believe the client. And I don't believe myself. That's the important part. I'm like, okay, that's your idea. Beautiful. We're going to go and see what the market is doing. And then we will build based on what's working in the market. For every offer, I didn't create my rapport funnel until I'd hacked some. I didn't create my self-liquidating offer funnel until I'd hacked some. I didn't create anything for myself until I hack it. That is how I do everything now. And I do it for my clients as well. And guess what? It's actually a shortcut. Like, I have worked with so many clients, and every once in a while you get that client where you actually somehow you fell on the magic pill and it worked. I'm gonna be honest, sometimes you just fall on it and it works. You're like, oh, we did it, and you start making money, and then you can do it a couple other times and then it just doesn't work and it falls apart and you're like, it's like juggling. It just doesn't work. And you're like, why is this not working? This is why. When I started to add in a funnel hack at the very beginning of every funnel build, any situation, when you add in a hack, and we'll describe what a real hack is in just a moment, when you add in the hack, it literally comes together faster. Optimization, yes, important, but you're making money when you optimize. Oh my, that's unbelievable, right? Instead of having these little, oh my goodness moments with some customers here and there, each customer I brought on, it was like, boom, result, boom, result, boom, result. And it was just like launching these results. And it was spectacular. It was so good. And I was like, man almighty, this is working. And I'm like, everybody forgot. Everybody forgot. This was in the Funnel Hacks webinar. This is how Russell Brunson sold ClickFunnels, and everybody forgot how to do a hack. So what is a funnel hack? Let's be really honest. What is a funnel hack? It is not building the funnel. It is not being able to build the funnel fast. It's not being able to build the funnel smart. It's not being able to build it pretty. That's not funnel hacking. Funnel hacking is research. Market research. I said it out loud. Please forgive me. Oh, I hate market research. This is fun. It's not just fun, it's addicting. The people who've joined my masterclass, oh, they're so addicted. They're like, it's everywhere. I'm like, yeah, the answers are everywhere. And all you have to do is look and be like, oh, they did this and they did this. And what if I combine those? And whew, that's the magic. Whoa, that's the magic. That's where everything starts to happen. It becomes addicting. Finding what works and then building off that is not only addicting, it's not only fun, it is the answer to how do you build a funnel that makes you money faster. I remember the very first customer I implemented this with, I'd been hired in order to make a real estate system. And I'd never been in real estate before, but I'm like, I know funnels, I know the strategies, I've become a funnel expert because I'm a geek. So yes, I'll do it. And they're like, okay, but we want to pay you, we want to keep you around for a long time. I'm like, okay, keep me around for a long time. There's got to be a way to make this faster. And so I went back through everything Russell was teaching, everything Steven was teaching, all these things, and it came back to the funnel hack. And I'm like, I should throw that in. So I just threw it in. I'm like, I'm not going to do anything for the first 2 weeks except hack. And they were like, okay. And I did. I got out my whiteboard and I literally drew out, I think, 7 different funnels. And what they were all saying, how they worked, how the design worked, and I modeled 4 of them, and I got a survey, got it all set up, and I was getting leads for like $25 or less each in the real estate market, people who wanted to buy. Now, it blew the customer's brain. They're like, oh my goodness, like we have all this information, this is great. And it was so good that they started sending it to their software in order to then collect the rest of the application, and their software broke. So I went and I funnel hacked the other people who had applications, and I built the application for this customer in ClickFunnels after hacking it. And guess what? To get all of their information all the way through, $100 or less. Now I could have quit right there. I could have just gone and been like, see ya, this is gonna work for everybody. So I just decided, I could have decided easily to start working with every real estate person I possibly could and just blow this out. But to be absolutely honest, I felt like this was one of the wins that I was meant to do, but I needed more. I needed to verify that this worked, and not just in this market. I wanted to know how funnels worked, not how mortgage funnels worked. I wasn't in it for the money game. I was in it to find what works so we could break all barriers. So the next customer that came in was a dental customer, and we did the exact same thing. I learned how to do the hack wrong that time. It took 2 months to make it profitable instead of the first month, but holy cow, we got this working and it was humming. We did the research right this time. And the right research directed us in how to get results fast. And we got results fast. Funnel hacking is the key to get into any niche. Literally, this is the system in order to make your funnel work, and you don't have to be a nerd. You do not have to be a nerd to do this right. You just have to look, and you have to look with the correct eyes. There is a way of doing funnel hacking that works, but funnel hacking is the secret. And it just works over and over and over and over if you do it right. I'm so stoked about this. I actually went to Funnel Hacking Live. I bought a booth last year, and which we'll probably do again. And I gave out what I call the Funnel Prospector Map. It's how to do a hack. It's all the trainings. And then I taught a masterclass. I had everybody sign up for a masterclass, and that was my first big sale. Like the first time it actually worked for me. I was like, oh, people like this, people want this, it actually works. And I took people through the process and they absolutely loved it. That's what I want you to be able to have. That is the aha. I want you to be able to stand there and say, it actually works. They've been promising this for forever, and I believed it was possible. I put everything behind this, but it actually works. That moment, when it actually works, your breath almost leaves you. And you just on cloud 9 going, wow, wow, this actually works. I want you to be able to have that win. And the fastest way to have that win through the entire building process, through the optimization, through the funnel build, through the ads, through everything, is to start with a hack first. And no, you don't have to be an expert. This is something that anybody can do. And it's very simple. You just need to know where to go, what to look for, and how to make it all work.
If you're like me, you're saying, Ben, this is great. I love all of this information, but when do I get the result? Like, how do I actually get from A to B? How does this actually work? I just want it done so I can have the result. Look, if that's you, if you're ready to just have this business that works, so you're ready to have a funnel that's converting, I found the path. I'm actually making it faster and easier than ever. But I can't tell you all about it here. So what I need you to do is go to thesecretschallenge.com. You're going to be able to opt into first, hear how I am going through the challenge, and then on the other side, I'm going to tell you exactly how we're going to make this faster and easier for you. Go to thesecretschallenge.com. thesecretschallenge.com.